Hope you enjoyed watching me make the elephants. Maybe you can try making them at home. Send us a photo if you do. Thanks for watching Little Ladoo's Craft Box. Make sure to like, comment, follow, and subscribe to Little Ladoo for more videos like this one. See you next time. Bye!